Hey guys, and welcome back. Somebody has decided that their new place to be is in the turtle tank. Yep, Maple has stolen the turtle tank. What you doing in there? Are you supposed to be with the turtles? Huh? What are you doing? Are you making friends? Silly kitty. Maple, what are you doing? Hey, Elastica, do you have a visitor? Who's in your cage? Oh, you again? Are you supposed to be in here? I think she's starting to take over the turtle tank. It's a good possibility. Hi, Trouble. Hi, Elastica. Oh, so you're buried. Do you guys have a visitor again? Who is in your cage now? Around the corner. Look at that. Are you in there again? What are you doing? Definitely. You're being silly. Definitely beginning to think she's taking the cage. Yep. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, now you're gonna come out. Are you stealing my turtle tank? Are you trying to steal the turtle tank? Silly girl. You're a silly girl. Think we may have to give this one up. I don't think you're gonna stay out of there. Trust me, I've tried. You silly. You're a troublemaker. Yeah. Oh, she's a pretty kitty. Well, caught you again. This time you're laying with trouble. Yeah. Are you trying to steal the turtle's tank? Huh. Silly cat. Turtles don't seem to mind. They just crawl right over her. She doesn't really seem to bother them too much. Does anybody else's cat climb in their turtle tanks and lay under their lights? No. She's such a weirdo. What are you doing, Maple? Yeah? You gonna talk? What you doing? What? Silly thing. So the turtles, one of them's over there, and the other two are around the corner. And here's Maple, stealing the sunlight. Well, it's not real sunlight, but she likes it. I'm sure it's because it's warm and she's got this little bit of grass to play with. Oh, Maple, you're a silly, silly kitty. So I hope you guys have a good day. I just wanted to show you how Maple has moved into the turtle house. It's kind of funny. We'll catch you guys next time. Say bye, Maple. Bye, Maple.